Yes, good morning to all. Yesterday we start that numericals. Today also we continue that some numericals. Okay. Now we go to that question. That is question number 2, and then page number 110. Okay. So page number 110, question number 2. That's question is this: a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes 1 applied so as to produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find and how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. Okay, so once again see the question and we write down the given and we solve it. Okay, first what is the given here? Here that speed is given of a train 90 km per hour and brake is applied, acceleration is given, that is minus 0.5 meter per second square. We find out how far means distance we find out, and brought to rest means already the train is going on running, so we are taken u continuously and v should be 0. Okay, next. So given is, that's page number 110, question number 2. Given, yes, u is how much? 90 km per hour. U is given, already the train is traveling, that's why u is 90 km per hour, and the acceleration is given, a is equal to how much? Minus 0.5 meter per second square. And how far? S is, we calculate it first, and then brought to be rest in a v, final velocity should be 0 meter per second. So here observe it first, what is u is given in a kilometer per hour, we change in meter per second because that SI unit of velocity is meter per second, so we change this. Okay, here see acceleration is meter per second square, this is this SI unit is meter, so we put as it is and we find out s, and v is given 0 meter per second. So this is meter per second, and we convert that u, initial velocity, meter per second. How we convert it? That's 90 into how kilo means how much? Kilometer means 1 kilometer means 1000 meter upon 1 hour means how many seconds? That is 60 into 60. Okay, we cut off this 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. What is the answer is? That's u is equal to 90 into 10. How much? 900 divided by 36. Again it can divide by 2 also. That's 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. And then again it can go by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 9s are 18. Okay, I think it's going 9 also. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 3 18 19 20 21 22 42. Yes, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 19 20 45. How much? 45 5 times. That's u is equal to how much? 25 meter per second. We first change that into u is equal to meter per 25 meter per second. किलोमीटर पर आवर में दिया हुआ है तो हमें चेंज करना है मीटर पर सेकेंड में. ओके, so now we go to the formula of the equations of motion. V is equal to u plus at. See here v is given, u is given, a is given, but what we find out? Distance. So here t is we find out, but it is not necessary that you find by this formula. We go to the next formula. C is s is equal to ut plus half at square. So s we find out, here t is not given, so this formula is not apply here again. Now we go to the last formula, that is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So here the a is given and v is given, u is given. What's we find out? S is find out. So we thus separate that s in a LHS side, that's v square minus u square upon 2a. Okay, now you put these values. Okay, so S is equal to V value is 0 square minus what is the U value. U value is this one, don't take this one is that. Okay, meter per second we have to, that is 25 whole square upon 2 into acceleration. What's the value of acceleration? Minus 0.5 meter per second, that's minus 0.5. okay, S is equal to 0 square means 0 minus 25 square means 625 divided by minus 2 into 5 10 to 1.0. there is no value of 0.0, that's why I put that one. So minus minus get cancelled. What is the answer is 625. What is the SI unit of distance? Meter. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next we go to that next problem. See here, you do homework, the third one we do that again, fourth here. So that's a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? Okay, so what is the given here? That's question number 4, and do it homework third. This question number 4. What is the given is? Given is that a racing car has a uniform acceleration. Acceleration is given, A is equal to how much? That is 4 meter per second square. What is the distance? As you find out it at it covers in a 10 seconds. It covers in a 10 seconds means T is given 10 seconds, and after them what is given? After start, मतलब still they are in a rest, वो rest में है, तो it means U is equal to 0 meter per second. So which apply here that formula, that is T is given, S is given, that second formula I apply here, that's S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, S is equal to, what is that, U value is 0 and T value is 10 plus half, what is the A value? A value is 4 meter per second square. What is the T value is? T value is 10, square is there, so I write here 10 again. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now S is equal to 10 into 0, any digit multiply by 0 is 0, so we do not write here. So here we multiply 2 into 10 into 10. S is equal to 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 2, that is 200. What is the SI unit? Is meter. Okay, this one is that another answers. Now we go to that some exercise question. Now we go to exercise question. That's rest of them you do it at home, you can easily solve it. Try it. Now third question exercise, page number 112, 112 page number. The third question we do here now. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is a less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed of the Abdul's trip? यानी इसमें बता रहे हैं कि अब्दुल अपना घर से स्कूल जा रहा है तो 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर में जा रहा है स्पीड में, और वो रिटर्न वापस स्कूल से घर आ रहा है, तब सेम रूट से आ रहा है, तो उसमें लेस ट्रैफिक होने के कारण स्पीड, एवरेज स्पीड कितना है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर, यानी स्पीड में ज़्यादा स्पीड में आया लेस ट्रैफिक होने के कारण. व्हाट इज दैट एवरेज स्पीड फॉर अब्दुल्स ट्रिप? ओके, now we write down that we don't know that here that how much is the distance is covered now. Okay, let's we take that that's page number 112 exercise question, third one. Okay, here we don't know that distance, so we taken let Abdul while driving to school, distance cover is equal to x meter. Okay, we don't know that, that's why we are putting here x. Again, while return from school, distance covered is also same, that same route he comes, that's why same distance he covered, that is x meter. Total distance, how much? Total distance covered by Abdul, that is x plus x. How much? That is 2x meter. Okay, next, time is not given, so let time taken to distance covered is equal to, we have taken time 1 is equal to distance upon, that is distance upon, distance means x here, and speed is given here. While going from driving to school, the speed is given. How much is speed is that? Average speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Next, again, while return, he takes time to distance covered is equal to t2. T2 is equal to x. What is the average speed he taken while he returning to home from school to home? That's again, that is 30 kilometer per hour. Now we have total time taken. How much? Total time taken, that is equal to t1 plus t2 is equal to x upon 20. T1 value is x upon 20 plus T2 value is x upon 30. What is the LCM? 20 and 30. The LCM is 60. So 60, how many times are going 20? That's 3 times 3x, plus in 30, 60, how many times it goes? 2 times. So what's that? Total time taken is 5x. Total time taken is 5x upon 60. 5x upon 60. Now we find out that average speed. Okay, so I show here only. Okay, this is average speed is equal to, what's the formula of speed? You know that the speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. This is the formula of average speed. So total distance, how much? Total distance is 2x, and how much upon total time taken, how much? 5x upon 60. 5x upon 60. So upon it goes 60 on upper side is equal upon 5x. So xx get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 5 12s are 60. So average speed is equal to how much? That is 12 into 2. That is 12 into 2 is equal to 24 meter per second. 24 meter per second. This is the answer of average speed to find out. Okay. Got it? You first find out that the total distance, find out that total time taken, and then you find out the average speed. Next we go to that next problem in exercise problem. See, same, that's exercise number 4th question. So a motor boat starting from rest on a Lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? How much it take time taken? So we find out that distance and also time taken. Okay, here we find out. So what is the given here? Fourth question exercise. So that what is the given here? From a motorboat starting from rest means u. The given is u is given. Starting from rest means u is 0 meter per second. Accelerate in straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square. Means a is given 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. Means time is given in 8 seconds. During this time, how much is distance covered? So we find out that only distance. So again that same formula here, u is given, a is given, t is given, s. The second formula we apply here, s is equal to ut plus half at square. So s we find out, u is given, t is given and a is given. So we put the values. U is 0. What's the value of t? 8 plus half. What is the value of a? 3. What's the value of t? 8. You write down 2 times because t square is here. That's 8. S is equal to any digit is multiplied by 0 is 0. That's 0. Do not write now. Again, cut it. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. What is the remaining? 3 multiply 4 into 8. Okay, S is equal to 4 3s are 12. 12 8s are, that is 96 meter. What's the SI unit is distance, that is meter. Okay, this is that one solution of exercise question. Now again, last we tried in the numerical exercise question, that is exercise question number 7. See here, the question number 7. A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter if its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square. With what velocity will strike the ground? After what time will it strike the ground? So okay, a ball is gently dropped from a height. एक बिल्डिंग है, मानो कि वहाँ से एक 20 मीटर हाइट से बॉल ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं. द वेलोसिटी इंक्रीजेस, वेलोसिटी क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है. कितना? एट द रेट ऑफ एक्सेलेरेशन कितना में? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. विद व्हाट वेलोसिटी वी फाइंड आउट द स्ट्राइक द ग्राउंड. वो कितना वेलोसिटी में स्ट्राइक कर रहा है ग्राउंड में. आफ्टर व्हाट टाइम विल इट स्ट्राइक द ग्राउंड. और टाइम भी फाइंड आउट करना है, कौन सा टाइम में ले रहा है और आपको कौन सा वेलोसिटी में आ रहा है. ओके, दोनों भी फाइंड आउट करना है इसमें. ओके, फर्स्ट वी राइट डाउन दैट गिवन. व्हाट इज गिवन इज, that is height means here again that you take h or s, distance same. Okay, s or h, you take anyone, that's 20 meter. What is that? The acceleration is given, a is equal to 10 meter per second square. What velocity that they are given here, that's we find out that v, and then time also find out at what time it fall it. Okay, now we go to formula apply here. Let's say which formula apply. That's v is equal to, you write down the 3 formula if you have confused. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and the last is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. So what is given here? S is given, a is given, v is find out, t is find out. So v here not find out, and t we do not apply here because of laterly apply, because here 2 is unknown, we cannot find out. Here s is given, u is not given, t is not given, so it is not we apply. Now here a is given, s is given, u is given, and u is 0. That's u is 0. Okay, so we find out here by the formula, this one. Okay, two as, we find out that v now, that's 2as. 2as is equal to v square minus u square. 2 into what is that? A value is 10, s value is 20. We find out that v square minus u is 0 square. So what is the multiply? 2 2 is a 4. 40 into 10, that is 400 is equal to v square. V square is equal to 400, and we square, to remove that we take under plus or minus 400 root. Okay, so we are taken always that's velocity positive. Okay, so that's what is the root? 400 value is, that is 20 meter per second. This is that answer of velocity. Now we find out that t. So we can apply this formula, that is first formula, v is equal to u plus 18. That's v means 20, u 0 plus a value is 10 into t. So that's 20 is equal to 10t. Okay, then we put down that value of 10 divided, that's t is equal to, this will cancel. What's the answer? 2 seconds. What's the unit of time? 2 seconds. This is the time we find out here. Okay, so rest of them you do it, try it, and do it in your notes. Okay, all that questions. This is the end of the chapter of 8th motion, and for the next class we take that new lesson. Okay, thank you.